Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This afternoon, I will be sharing with you part of the Masterpiece Intensive Program series. I will be talking about the law of cause and effect. What is a cause? What is an effect? A cause is something that you do initially, in the beginning, at the start. And if you continue to do something, you are going to see the result, or what we call an effect. Yeah? For instance, if you are planting nothing, and you can see there's nothing here, forever you see nothing. You get nothing. You get no fruit. You get no roots in this in this tiny plant here. You see nothing because there's no seed, so nothing will grow here. When there is no cause, there will be no effect. If you do not put in any effort in whatever you do, you can dream all you want, you can hope for the best, but nothing will come, nothing will appear, nothing will translate in a physical form. However, if you put in a small effort, and you can see here, there's something here because this some effort, and you can see upon a given time, the plant will actually grow, the seed will bear you some fruit. Yeah? And of course, if you continue to nurture further by putting in some fertilizer, watering the plant, and you can always see that it will grow up after a given time. It will grow and it will become a plant. So ladies and gentlemen, when you want to see fruits like papaya, you plant papaya seed. If you want to see mangoes, you plant mango seed. If you want to see durian, you plant a durian seed. So not too long ago, my wife planted a durian seed, and a few months later, you can see this is going to be a durian tree. Yeah, because what we have here is a durian seed. So if we continue to nurture the plant here, it will grow into a small durian tree. And of course, obviously, it will not bear you papaya fruits. It will not bear other fruits other than durian fruit. Yeah. So in life, ladies and gentlemen, if you are keen to see big results, you want to see major results, be it money, more money coming to you, then the big question to ask is, what are the costs? What are the efforts that I put in? No one can expect bigger returns or bigger rewards or bigger money coming to you if you are putting small effort. Small effort is okay initially, but as we are getting better and better, we should be looking into putting bigger efforts, more efforts, so that it can translate into bigger results. So what do you really want? What kind of results are you looking for? Is it bigger results? If yes, then you need to start planting bigger seeds, and you need to nurture the seed as well along the way. Thank you for watching this video. The law of cause and effect here is to remind everybody you don't get to see the fruits until you plant the seed, nurture the seed, and you must take care of the efforts. And very importantly, along the way, you need to measure the progress. Are you using the right methods? Are you using the right strategy in order to get the results you want? So working hard is one thing. Working hard the right way is more important. If you work hard the right way, then you are going to see progress. You are going to see results sooner or later. So ladies and gentlemen, dreamers are different from achievers because dreamers do not put in effort, whereas achievers put in efforts on daily basis. So I congratulate you for watching this video, because together, let us partner together in this journey to help you get the results you want in your life and also in your business. Thank you for watching. My name is Jackson Ng.